Alright, so let's factor a quadratic equation with a leading coefficient of 1. Here's what we're going to use. Z squared minus 13z plus 12. We're going to use the box method because this is actually going to be the fastest method for this scenario. So we get our box together. We know that the last term goes here. The first term goes here. We know because this is a coefficient of 1 that we can put z and z on the outside. And what we're going to do now is we're going to say, okay, so this is 12 times 1 equals 12. We break this down into 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. We're looking for our middle term. We know that when we multiply we should get this, but when we add we should get negative 13 because that is our middle term right here. And remember, the middle term we really only focus on the coefficient, all right, nothing else. So I'm going to go 1 plus 12 is 13, but I don't want positive, I want negative and a negative so that I have a negative 13. So we know now that this is what I'm using, so I'm going to put negative z and then negative 12z. So looking at this, because we have a positive here, it tells us that we need a negative out here of 1. And we'll need a negative 12 up here, right? So now, our next step, very straightforward, is to go z minus 12, z minus 1, and that's it. You can also write this as z minus 1 times z minus 12. Okay? So both of these are appropriate.